Hey everybody, here's what I eat daily for optimal health. Whole fresh fruit. Nothing beats whole fresh fruit, which is why I put it in my smoothie bowls as well. I don't just drink the smoothie, I eat the smoothie. Cantaloupe, can't get enough of cantaloupe. Here's some road food. Fast food. More fast food, just the cantaloupes. And then I eat a fresh raw salad like every evening with a homemade dressing. Usually the homemade dressing is just some vegetables and maybe some hemp seeds. Oh, and for dessert, raw carrot cake. I mean, this is so healthy and so satisfying. I just love it. And the fact that, you can eat this without any issues. So the best gift you can give to your body is a plant. And don't forget, you can join us for a trained diet support group. It's ongoing monthly, and this will help you stay on track and give you so much information and motivation to stay on a healthy diet.